Low wooden pews, high stained glass, voices rise through every path.
Holy, holy,
Holy,
worthy,
worthy,
worthy, one church, one sound.
I can hear my grandma singing from a worn-out second row. Every yes, Lord, that she whispers
Still is ringing in my soul.
hold hymnal pages turning.
Now I'm standing in her place.
same name on my tongue,
New fire in my praise. Same God, same glory. New song, same story. From the old church floor to the live stream now. Hands up, hearts open. Ancient words still spoken. Every tribe, every tongue. One church, one sound. Oh.
Robes and ripped blue denim, choir stands and coffee cups, organ runs and clicking slides, but the same love lifts us up. We got high net fall on the 2 and 4.
But whose name?
Jesus,
Oh, every generation shouting.
He's the reason we're breathing.
Same God, same glory.
Hey, song, oh,
Same story.
same story.
Church floor to the live stream now.
Hands up,
Hands up,
heart to
hearts open. Ancient words still spoken. Every tribe,
every time.
one church, one sound. Whoa.
Yeah,
Break down only
from the back
to
row,
the balcony.
lift your voice now.
Till the history season.
What he did then.
He is doing here.
Old oil, new wine, pouring out right here. I'm not ashamed of the old way.
That faith still carries me.
I'm wide awake to the new